Hello everyone. Sorry I've been missing for quite a while. Well, the things got busy and I was doing some traveling as well. So now I have some time at home, so I'm able to do a unboxing for you guys. So this will be a short video. I'm going to show you what I have purchased during my trip. Actually not exactly my trip, but it was a purchase that I have made in our locals airport before I leave for my Taipei trip in January. So I've been wanting this bag for quite a while. It wasn't actually in my radar, but I was looking at a few YouTube videos, and I've come across two YouTuber. I will put a link below, and they have this cute bag, and I was immediately attracted by it. Uh, I think it looks so much better when carried, as in like looking at it on the computer screen, if you know what I mean. So I tried to track down this particular bag in our local boutiques in Marina Bay Sands, Ngee City, as well as Ion. They actually let me do a pre-order, but they wanted me to wait. They could not really commit on the delivery date, or the SA at Marina Bay Sands told me that I probably need to wait about 2 to 3 weeks, but the one in Ngee City said that I probably need to wait up till 3 months. But the one at Ion told me that I'm not even able to place an order. Why is it 3 different stores, 3 different sets of comments? I'm not sure. But anyway, I managed to look for this. I managed to get this bag when I was in our Singapore Changi Airport. So there's a LV boutique in our Terminal 3. I think it recently, probably it only opened like less than 12 months, or maybe slightly more than that, I'm not sure. So happy that I managed to track this in the airport. In fact, I think they also have the mini Palm Springs in the store, right? So without having ramble on too much, let me just get on with the unboxing. Okay, so this is it comes with the box. Right, so it also comes with the receipt, care book. So I'll show the price of this bag later. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Comes with a dust bag. Okay, so quickly let me just show you the bag. Ta-da! So this is the duffel bag. Yeah, it's the duffel bag. Of course, I've actually used it during the Chinese New Year, and yeah, I love this bag. It's not as small that you could not put anything inside. You still could put your daily essentials like a long wallet, keys, you know, or maybe I think maybe a small umbrella, my 2 mobile phones. Of course I'll do a what's in my bag shortly later on. Okay, so it comes, okay, let me just roughly tell you guys about the dimension. Okay, so the length is 22 centimeter. Okay, the height is 23 and the width is 14. So I guess it's more like a circumference kind of thing rather than, you know, because this is like a circular shape, so I'm not too sure what do they mean by the length. So it's probably the circumference or something like that. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. So this bag is in fact it comes, I think it's the SS18 collection, so you can carry it by hand. Okay, and there's also a shoulder strap which I will show you. So this is the monogram coated canvas and comes with the vachetta leather. Okay, and the hardware is of course gold hardware. And you can see from here, you can in fact put your shoulder strap at 2 places. So if you want to do a crossbody, you just put your strap here, and if you want a shorter strap, shoulder drop for shoulder carry, and you can place it here. Okay. So this is the strap. So it comes with a dust bag for the strap. So of course, one thing about this bag is that the shoulder strap is also in vachetta leather, which I kind of worried that, you know, it may darken. I don't really like the patina on vachetta leather. I don't use this bag. I don't think I'll use this bag very often, so hopefully it will slow down the patina on the vachetta leather. I mean, I've saw some videos, you know, people did try to spray some protector or something like that to prevent the vachetta, but I'm not too sure if I want to do that. Okay, so let's just okay. So you just close the bag. There's a lock here. Okay, so quite frankly, this bag is way cuter in real life than on screen. Okay. Right. So I usually carry it on the shoulder, and I'll just like put my strap here. Okay. So one thing I need to probably also, I've actually kind of noticed that I guess because of the hook, the shoulder, the hook, it kind of make an indent over at the back here. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see. It's not a very big deal, but I just hope that, you know, it will not the indentation will not be too obvious. Okay, I just hope that it will not turn too obvious later on. Okay. Right, so I guess that's all what I have. Oh, and about the price of this bag. Okay. So this is called the duffel bag. The product code is M43587. Okay, and the price of this bag is at 3,100 Singapore dollars. Right, so like I've already mentioned just now, that I will do a what's in my bag later on. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy this very short video, and I may sound a little bit nervous because I've not do a video for quite a while. So I'll try to make more videos and moving on. But I am actually also trying to downsize my bag collection. I mean, I was trying to downsize my bag collection and re-looking at my Hermes collection, and probably I would also sell some bags, because sell some bags to make room for new ones. So okay, so that's it for now, and hope you enjoy this video. Leave me a comment if you want, and if there's anything I could show you guys, please let me know, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.